Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you whenever you are launching the Forza Horizon 6 game, the code execution cannot process because AMD edges into 64.dll file was not found. Just I will give you some steps. Try to you will fix this problem. Let's look at the steps. In these steps, you will try to before. If you are beginner, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Don't waste of time. Let's look at the steps.